In recent times, there have been thousands of videos being made on artificial technology and how they are here to take over the world. But I am here to show you how to take advantage of these new opportunities presented by AI technology and make money. If you are interested, continue watching. I'm sure everyone has seen all the YouTube videos that have been made since November 2022 about Chat GPT and other AI technology and how you can make money with them. But with this new information also come new fears. Persons are fearing that they're going to lose their jobs because AI technology is way more productive and a little bit more precise. But not to worry, you have clicked on the right video, because on this video I'm going to tell you 4 businesses that you can start, or 4 ways you can make money using Chat GPT and other AI technologies today. The first way is to start an automated YouTube channel. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but persons have been making thousands of US dollars by just having an automated YouTube channel. What an automated YouTube channel is, it's basically a channel where you do not show your face, you don't even use your own voice, and the information that you use in the videos are not even generated by you. They're generated by AI technology. Persons have been using Chat GPT along with other AI technologies in order to create these automated YouTube channels that are blowing up. Now, the reasons why these channels are doing so well is because the script is made by AI. The voiceover is done by AI, the graphics is also done by AI, the thumbnail, the title, every single thing about these videos is done by AI. These channels can produce over 1 to 2 videos every single day for 30 days on YouTube, and they are reaching the necessary audience. And because AI is generating these titles and generating these thumbnails, if you know anything about YouTube, your thumbnail and your title will determine how many persons you reach. And because these are AI generated, they are more specific and they have keywords to target the right audience. So if you are looking for a way to make a little extra money and make over 1,000 US dollar monthly, then an automated YouTube channel might just be for you. The next way that you can make money online using ChatGPT and AI technology is to create AI art. I don't know if you guys know, but you can go onto ChatGPT along with other AI technologies and input words of things that you would like it to generate art for and actually sell it on Etsy. There's an entire YouTube video on persons generating AI art and selling it on Etsy. Now, this venture might require you to do a little bit more marketing, but it is still very profitable because you can come up with the wildest ideas possible and put it into one of these AI generated software, and they will give you an image that you can sell. Another way that you can use AI or Chat GPT to generate income is to have a shorts channel, TikTok or Instagram Reels. As you guys know, the same shorts that you use for YouTube shorts can be used for Instagram use, can be used for TikTok. Now, what you have to do is get an exciting topic that everyone is talking about. Use AI art to get your images. Use AI also to generate the script and voiceover for these shorts. And there are so many videos on YouTube that shows you how to make over 100 shorts, reels, or even TikToks in 10 minutes using just AI. And the best part about these, you do not have to show your face. These channels are getting millions of views because of how many videos they can actually produce using these AI software. And the last thing that you can do for now, you can write blogs and be paid for these. There are so many companies or so many online websites that will pay you to write winning articles, winning blogs that grab persons' attention, and this is something that you can do and make money from it. Companies like Vocal Media will pay you to write winning essays, and they even pay you for normal essays that you write. And one thing with vocal media, they also have challenges, and these challenges have payouts of 500 US dollar grand prize, 500 that you guys can use Chat GPT or any other AI technology and actually earn. And you do not have to do these challenges. You can attempt to do them, but you can attempt to just upload top stories every day and get paid for every 1,000 reads that you get. And you get paid up to $3 up to $6 depending on your subscription for vocal. So guys, this is not the only company that will pay you to write blogs for them. So you have to just search and spread your wings and use AI technology to your advantage. That's it, you guys. You guys have seen it here, you guys have heard it here, and I've also shown examples of channels that have done the exact same things that I'm telling you right now and are making a lot of money using these AI tools. So find your niche, find whatever works for you, and go ahead and make that extra money every month and every day. Until next time, thank you for watching.